Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up competitor research posts using Similarweb Insights step by step clearly. To set up competitor research posts using Similarweb Insights, start by logging into your Similarweb account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the research section on the home page. Select the website option to enter the competitor analysis tool. Enter the URL of your primary competitor in the search bar. Click the search button to retrieve detailed insights on your competitor's website. Review the overview report for key metrics like traffic, engagement, and sources. Analyze the traffic sources section to understand where your competitor's visitors are coming from. Look into the audience demographics to gather information about their target audience. Next, navigate to the Competitors tab to identify other key players in the market. Click on the listed competitors to compare their statistics side by side with your primary competitor. Pay attention to any comparison insights that indicate strengths and weaknesses. Now, head to the Referral Sites section. This section reveals which websites are driving traffic to your competitor. Make a note of significant referral domains and any potential partnerships. Next, explore the Top Pages section to identify the most popular content on your competitor's site. Analyze the types of content that attract the most traffic. You can also review the Keywords section for organic search performance. Document important keywords that your competitor ranks. To gain further insights, check the Social Media Traffic section. Examine which platforms generate the highest engagement for your competitor. Compile all collected data into a structured format for easy reference. Create your competitor research post by summarizing findings, highlighting key opportunities. Use visuals and charts from Similarweb to enhance your post's impact. Finally, ensure to regularly review and update this research as market dynamics change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.